Yo, what's up, people? So it's your boy Rocky Bright, and I'm back again with another tutorial. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Bongo Flava X Reggaeton beat. So make sure you follow every step. So I'm gonna start with the chord progression. It's a chord progression, right? I'm gonna use 2 in 3. So this is how it sounds. Let me play it. So we go chord progression. Yeah, just copy the way I've arranged the chords this way. So that's the chord 23. Then FL keys. This is how I played. Just copy the arrangement. This is how it sounds like. Yep. So the third is acoustic guitar. I'm gonna show you how I played. The same shit. That's how it sounds. Yep. So the fourth, this is how I played. It's called clouds. Call it clouds. From twin 3. Yeah, this is how it sounds like. Yep. So another one is the bass. So if you wanna hear the bass, you're gonna use headsets maybe or speakers. Yeah, this is how it sounds like bass. After that, this is viola. It's from Sakura. Sakura, it's called Sakura. This FL Studio plugin. This it's a stock plugin. Yeah, it's called Sakura. That's how it sounds like. You don't wanna go crazy, man. Just simple. Yep. So another one. This one is called Sax 2. It's also from Sakura plugin. Yeah, this is how it sounds like. Yep, that's how it sounds like. So another one, this called Clouds. It's from Cyrus. Yeah, I stopped plugging, man. Yeah, not going crazy, just doing simple shit, right? So let's take a look. Here it is. It's a pad. Yeah. So I think we are done. Um, hmm. This is how I play the drums. That's how they sound. Drums. Yeah. Then there's something I added. Let me take a look. Here it is, man. Here. That's how it sounds. Yeah. That one is the first one. Another one. Take a listen. Another one. Here it is, man. It's called rolls. It's a roll or fill. This is how it sounds like. Here it is. Yeah. So after that one, use the fill, the crash. Good. So after that, I had to arrange the beat. So we start with the kick, chord 2 in 3, chord 2, there's a viola, then chord 4, that is pad. Yeah, let's take a listen, man. Enjoy the beat. So make sure before I play the beat, make sure you follow me or you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification button, right? So that every time I post the new tutorials, new beats, you'll be the first one to be notified. And after this tutorial, I'm gonna post this video. So make sure you search for it. It's called a Bongo Flava instrumental or Bongo Flava X Reggaeton beat, right? So yeah, make sure you be in touch. Yeah, bye.